Happy Thursday. We are seeing if I can walk, talk and vlog at the same time without falling over. This could be hilarious. We're on our way to the knitting and stitching show. It's after 10 but not much. And yeah, exciting. Gonna buy all the fabric. We've arrived. We've checked in, we've got rid of our bags. Mum's found bowls already. I think they're for knitting, aren't they? Put your wool in it, yeah. And let the orgy of spending begin. It's just after midday and I have already ticked off most of the things on my list apart from sewing machine needles, but you know what, I might actually not buy those here. I might save the rest of my money for fabric. I've spent £135 already, but like I say, all the stuff on my list. The only thing I've got left that is on there is white embroidery and glaze for a shirt dress for the summer. Other than that, it's just a free-for-all. But we're here for 2 days, so I've got to try and pace myself, although we all know that that's not going to happen. Mum's having a cup of tea, a chocolate brownie and reading the show guide. Do you want to say hi?
Hi, cheers.
You've spent lots of money as well.
Too much.
Yes, but she's bought some very nice things. Also, I've hit 6,000 subscribers this morning. Thank you so much and welcome to everybody new. I hope you're enjoying the random waffling. And oh, and I've also bumped into someone this morning as we were walking in. Hi Kathy, it was very nice to meet you. She's come all the way over from the States. She went to Germany and then has designed her trip to come back via the knitting and stitching show. I like it a lot. We're at Gabby's meetup. You can see the blue hair back there. Here's Claire and Megan and lots of lovely peeps. Yeah. Hi! There's loads of us here as well.
I can't believe how many people here. I know, it's really exciting.
Look who else we found. Hi! Hey peeps! So just been to Gabby's meetup and Mum's, there she is. It's like herding a cat, I always lose her. We are now doing the second haul because we've done the first haul. So yeah, we're gonna have a look around. I still have a little bit of money left. I've kind of forgotten that we're coming back tomorrow, so yeah. Say hi to the vlog.
Excuse me?
Say hi to the vlog.
Oh, hello vlog. How are you?
Do you like how his whole demeanour changes when he realises he's talking to you guys? I don't think we've bought enough stuff. I think we have failed. I've not spent all of my money either. I still have 50 quid to spend tomorrow and I think I know what I'm going to get, but I'm going to have a look at my wish list. But look at all the goodies. I haven't shown you what I'm wearing, so it is my new Jackie dress, which I finished just in the nick of time, and the little shrug, which is the McCall's pattern. So yeah, and stupidly I've got high-heeled boots on, which are fine for today, but I will be wearing flats tomorrow. So she's doing it again. The minute I start recording, she starts talking. We're back at the hotel room. We've bought all our bags back and things here. We're going to go and see The Shape of Water at the cinema, and we're probably going to go to the Sainsbury's and get ourselves some stuff for a proper breakfast tomorrow and some munchies and things for this evening. So yeah, it's been a long day. I've met so many of you as well. It was very nice for everyone that came and said hi. It was lovely to see Gabby and Nina and Megan and Claire. So yeah, loads of lovely people today. I haven't really shown you very many of the stalls because I was too busy shopping, but we're going back tomorrow, so I will be showing you all the different stalls that I kind of just beelined for. So yes, lots more fabric in tomorrow's vlog, I promise. When it is cold and snowy outside, you deserve a giant mug of hot chocolate. I'm looking forward to this. We're back. That was The Shape of Water. Good, but weird. But then I kind of expected that from Del Toro. Most of his films fall into that category for me, but I did enjoy it. It was good. Yeah, it's 20 to 9, so we're back quite early. We went. We got to the cinema a little bit early, so we had a toasty in Starbucks because we were sort of hungry. But definitely not needing a full dinner. That's been our day really. I mean, I've got bags and bags of goodies to sit here and sort of pour through, but I'm going to be doing a proper haul. Mum is going to join me in that like we did last year as well, so lots to show you when we get back. But fabric, look at all the goodies. It's a giant pile of goodies. So it's been a very long but very enjoyable day. Very much looking forward to going back tomorrow. I have got everything that I wanted to do off of my checklist. I didn't see the navy crepe, so I'm going to get that from the fabric room. But I did have an embroidered border print thing for, on a denim, and Higgs and Higgs have got it on their website but not in real life, and then M. Rosenberg have it at the show, so I might get that tomorrow. There's a Lady McElroy fox print that I'm eyeing up for a shirt, and there was also some needle cord that I'm thinking about for a shirt dress. I have about £70 left to spend, so I'm not sure. I'm going to be a bit more selective. Well, not that I wasn't selective today, because I had written a list and I have gotten everything on that list plus a few extras, so yeah, we shall see. But on that note, I've still got to edit this and get this uploaded so that it's ready for you tomorrow morning, so I'm going to get that done. I think I'm going to go through our goodies and watch some TV, and that's going to be our night. So I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.